Hi there, friends. It's almost Valentine's Day, and I want to show you a super easy DIY perfume. Not that fake stuff with synthetic ingredients that can definitely harm you because we don't know what all those ingredients are listed in fragrance. So get a pretty roller. I have this one with pretty gemstones. You can buy a simple empty one that's clear and put rose petals or gemstones. What about some pink quartz or red? There's even pretty ones like this or different colors. And then I even have a spray that has a heart shaped. That's something else you could do too. So just use, the easiest way is to get a blend that Young Living already has. I'm going to use this floral one that smells so amazing called One Heart. And I'm going to add about 10 drops, maybe more like 20. There we go. Oh, it has a beautiful bluish aqua tint to it. And then I'm going to just fill the rest with a carrier oil. There we go. Kind of swirl it around and put the roller top. Oh, there it is. Just like that. Now, if you don't have One Heart, some other ideas could be, of course, Joy. It smells like love, you know. It's very happy, a lot of geranium there. I like Highest Potential because it has jasmine in there. And jasmine essential oil, of course, is, smells great. Now, if you have rose, any combination with rose is to die for, and you really don't need too much. Adding a few drops of vanilla is great too. And neroli, oh my gosh, this is another beautiful one for perfume making. Those are like the rose and neroli higher end. If you really want to get into perfume making, Melissa Pepping has this really cool recipe book talking all about high notes, mid notes, end notes. So, but I just go with one of the beautiful blends from Young Living, and my choice right now is One Heart, and it's actually free this month when you spend so much. So, have a great afternoon. Let me know if you make a perfume roller. Great for gifting to your kids, to your spouse, your partner, maybe your mom, a teacher. Have a great afternoon.